Millions of people around the world experience tingling, numbness, or pain in their hands and feet every single day, a condition known as peripheral neuropathy. But what if I told you there are simple, natural ways to help strengthen your nervous system? Today, we'll be talking about 5 super seeds that can boost your nervous system, and in some cases, even help repair nerve damage. Most people think of seeds as just food, but seeds can be more than that. They can be medicine. This isn't just speculation. There's scientific research backing it up. Of course, seeds aren't a magic cure-all. Serious nerve issues require medical care. But for general nerve health and minor problems, certain seeds may be surprisingly helpful. At the very least, they're a low-risk way to support your nervous system through nutrition. But how do you actually use them? How much should you eat? Make sure to watch until the very end, as we will answer all your questions and more. But first, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's make this the most liked video on the channel ever. Do you or anyone you know have any issues related to peripheral neuropathy? What part of the world are you from? After you've watched the video, drop a comment below so we can get to know each other better. Now, let's look at the 5 super seeds that improve your nerves and how to eat them. 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds have become trendy in recent years, showing up in all kinds of healthy foods and drinks. But they're not just a fad. These tiny black seeds are a nutritional treasure. For nerves specifically, chia seeds are valuable because they're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are critical for nerve health. They help reduce inflammation, which is often a factor in nerve problems. They also support the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerve fibers. Beyond omega-3, chia seeds contain a variety of antioxidants. These help protect nerves from oxidative stress and damage. When nerves are injured or inflamed, they're especially vulnerable to this kind of damage. The antioxidants in chia seeds may help shield them. How much should you take? 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per day is sufficient. How to enjoy them? What's interesting about chia seeds is how easy they are to use. A great way to prepare chia seeds is by making chia pudding. Just mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with almond milk. Add your favorite fruit on top and refrigerate overnight for a nutritious breakfast. You can also sprinkle them on almost anything: yogurt, oatmeal, salads. However you eat them, you're getting a hefty dose of nerve-supporting nutrients. Before we move on, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button, and let's make this experience even better together. 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are another great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Like chia seeds, they're rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Your body can convert ALA into other forms of omega-3s that are particularly beneficial for nerves. Flax seeds have something extra: lignans. These are plant compounds with antioxidant properties. They can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can damage nerves over time. What's particularly interesting about the lignans in flax seeds is that they may help with nerve regeneration. Some studies have found that these compounds can promote the growth and repair of nerve tissue. This could be especially valuable for people recovering from nerve injuries. How much should you take? Just 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds each day will offer these benefits. How to add them to your diet? Ground flax seeds are easy to incorporate into smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or stews. They blend seamlessly into your meals without changing the texture much. Flax seeds are a bit trickier to use than chia seeds. They need to be ground up for your body to access all their nutrients. But once ground, they can be added to all sorts of foods. Some people even use them as a partial substitute for flour in baking. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may seem like a treat just for fall, often associated with carving jack-o'-lanterns. But they're worth eating year-round, especially if you're concerned about nerve health. What makes pumpkin seeds stand out is their high magnesium content. Magnesium plays a crucial role in nerve function. It helps regulate the transmission of nerve signals. When you're low on magnesium, your nerves can become more excitable, leading to tingling, numbness, and other uncomfortable sensations. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in zinc, another mineral important for nerve health. Zinc helps support the myelin sheath and is involved in nerve signal transmission. But perhaps the most interesting thing about pumpkin seeds, from a nerve health perspective, is their vitamin E content. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can protect nerve cells from damage. Some research has even suggested that vitamin E might help slow the progression of certain neurological disorders. How much should you have? Just 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds per day can provide these benefits. Pumpkin seeds are easy to eat as a snack on their own. Try roasting them for a tasty snack. It's a healthier alternative to sugary treats and may help improve neuropathy symptoms over time. They're also great added to salads or sprinkled on top of soups. 4. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are packed with nutrients that can support nerve health. Like pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds are high in vitamin E, but they also contain significant amounts of vitamin B1, thiamine, and vitamin B6. These B vitamins are crucial for nerve function. Thiamine, in particular, is essential for the proper transmission of nerve signals. Sunflower seeds are also a good source of copper. This mineral is involved in the formation of myelin, the protective coating around nerve fibers. Some research suggests that copper deficiency could contribute to certain neurological problems. How much should you have? The recommended serving size for sunflower seeds is 1 ounce, or approximately 28 grams. If you prefer to measure by volume, this is roughly equivalent to a 1/4 cup of shelled sunflower seeds. How to add them to your diet? One of the nice things about sunflower seeds is how versatile they are. You can eat them as a snack, of course, but you can also use them to make sunflower seed butter, a nut-free alternative to peanut butter. They're great in baked goods too, adding a nutty flavor and crunchy texture. 5. Hemp seeds. Hemp has been used for ages because it's super versatile. The seeds are actually a complete protein, since they have all 9 essential amino acids, even more than chia seeds. Just 2 tablespoons give you 10 grams of protein. While they don't have as much fiber as chia, hemp seeds are packed with important minerals like zinc, which is great for brain health and immune support. But perhaps the most interesting thing about hemp seeds, from a nerve health perspective, is their gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA, content. GLA is an omega-6 fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory properties. Some research suggests it might be particularly beneficial for people with diabetic neuropathy, a type of nerve damage caused by diabetes. Hemp seeds have a mild, nutty flavor. You can sprinkle them on salads or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or use them in baking. Some people even use hemp seed milk as a dairy alternative. So, these are the 5 seeds that stand out for nerve health. But how do you actually use them? How much should you eat? The good news is that you don't need to eat huge amounts of these seeds to potentially benefit. Even small amounts, eaten regularly, could make a difference. A typical serving size for most seeds is about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. One approach is to rotate through different seeds throughout the week. You might have chia seeds in your morning yogurt on Monday. Sprinkle some ground flax on your salad at lunch on Tuesday. Snack on pumpkin seeds on Wednesday, and so on.
This way, you're getting a variety of nutrients.
You could also mix several types of seeds together to make a custom blend. This could be used as a topping for oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Or you could incorporate it into baked goods for an extra nutritional boost. It's worth noting that while these seeds are generally safe for most people, they can interact with certain medications. For example, flax seeds can affect blood clotting, so people on blood thinners should talk to their doctor before adding a lot of flax to their diet. And if you have any nut or seed allergies, obviously be cautious about trying new seeds. Also, remember that seeds are calorie-dense. While the calories come with a lot of nutrients, it's still possible to overdo it. Stick to recommended serving sizes to avoid unwanted weight gain. Finally, don't expect miracles. Seeds are a way to support nerve health through nutrition, not a cure for serious nerve problems. If you're experiencing persistent nerve pain, numbness, or tingling, you should see a doctor. These could be signs of an underlying condition that needs medical treatment. That said, incorporating these seeds into your diet is a simple, low-risk way to potentially support your nervous system. And even if the nerve benefits turn out to be minimal, you're still getting a host of other nutritional benefits. In a world where we're always looking for the next big health breakthrough, it's easy to overlook simple solutions. But sometimes, the most powerful health tools are the ones that have been around for millennia. Seeds might not be flashy or high-tech, but they're packed with compounds that can support one of the most complex systems in your body. So next time you're at the grocery store, consider picking up some of these super seeds. Your nerves might thank you. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you already consume any of these super seeds? Share your experiences, questions, and tips in the comments. Let's build a community of knowledge about these powerful seeds together. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next videos. Share with your friends and family so everyone can be aware of these powerful seeds for nerve health. And before you go, check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. I think you'll love them. Have an awesome day and keep healthy, my friends.